Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
Kohlrabi is a relatively uncommon vegetable and can be used raw or added to salads. There are many varieties of kohlrabi, but green and purple varieties are available. Kohlrabi is a German word referring to a type of turnip. It is not like a turnip, but it is similar to cabbage, broccoli, and cauliflower. Kohlrabi grows during the spring and fall seasons. The suitable temperature at the time of sowing seeds should be 20 degrees Celsius or lower. Kohlrabi seeds are small and rounded. There should be a spacing of at least 1 inch between the sown seeds. In favorable conditions, seeds are likely to germinate within a week or two. Remove the weaker seedlings after germination. When 3 to 4 leaves sprout, plant the sapling to a ground space. A 10-inch size container is suitable for its sapling. The plant needs direct sunlight from morning to noon. The kohlrabi plant prefers moist soil. If the soil is dry, add mulch to the soil for water retention. It requires balanced fertilizer, so add equal quantities of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus to any organic fertilizer. Fertilize the plant every month. Spray the plant fortnightly with any organic pesticides. Kohlrabi vegetables are ready within 8 to 10 weeks. When this plant reaches the size of 6 to 10 centimeters in diameter, harvest it because kohlrabi is sweet and crunchy at this time. Harvest it at the base just like a cabbage and remove the outer covering because it is bitter.
Thanks for watching.